Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to fix 100% CPU uses in Windows 11. First, you just need to come over into your start icon, click on the right mouse button, and then here you will get an option called Device Manager. If you click on that, there will be a Device Manager window will pops up. If you maximize it, and then here you will find the option called System Devices. If you click on that for open it, you will get an option called High Precision Event Timer. So you just need to click on the right mouse button and going to install device it. Click on install. And now if you just close it and come over into search option and going to search for edit power plan, you will get an option like this and click on it for open it. And now here you will get edit plan settings. So if you just click on the change advanced power settings, you will get this kind of windows over here. And now here what you need to do, you just need to click on this balance and active option over here, and from here you just need to pick the high performance, and then you just need to click OK. And after that you just need to restart your PC, and your PC 100% uses of CPU uses problem will be fixed into your Windows. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you in other videos. Till then, goodbye.